right. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to Skillset Sunday. So, this is the third episode ng ating Skillset Sunday, and now we will be moving on to more of the real world applications of how we can utilize our skill sets to be successful in engineering. So, one of these, so as you can see from the title, is building your student engineering portfolio. So, this is madali lang siyang topic, but it is quite useful. It uh, puts you above other candidates. If let's say you're looking for internships or whatnot, having your compiled engineering portfolio helps in making the client or the contractor know more about you. Parang yun yung point nun, okay? So, why do we build a student portfolio? So, ayun nga, even though we're just students, it is important that we are thinking of what possible outcomes there may be in the corporate field. So, ayun nga, on our fourth year, we will be entering yung ating on-the-job training, and having a constructed and organized portfolio helps in increasing your chances of getting into a good uh, company or firm for that matter. Okay? So, that's the sense of doing that ano. So unlike a resume na one page lang and it shows what you can do, no. A resume shows what you can do, but having a portfolio is just not a single page, but it shows what you did, no, and what you still can do. So parang instead of just a resume, uh, having this, yun nga, it really helps, okay? So, what to include in the portfolio is of course yung something about you. So, brief, parang introduction na brief lang siya. And then yung projects. So, projects, possibly yung mga things that you did in school, uh, it could be included given that you explain it well since, ayun nga, it helps to consider, ano, it helps uh, people consider on how you handle these projects or how you present it to a team. Parang ganun. Yun yung point nun. And then certifications and courses, if you did MOOCs or if you attended online trainings or if you're a reservist and whatnot, uh, anything really goes here. So parang kung ano yung uh, mga certificates mo, then it's a good thing to include them in your portfolio. And then we also have a skill section. This is where you put your hard and soft skills, just like with the resume, which is optional. You can also put your resume there. It can be a view only or it can be downloadable. And yun nga, the portfolio itself could be tangible or intangible depending on the availability. So if you're gonna attend an interview in person, then a tangible copy may be better. But if it's an online one, then you might opt for an on for a soft copy. So it really depends. So depende na yun sa flexibility mo and how you will handle preferably an internship, ganun. And also yung ating contact and link. So if you have a LinkedIn account, if you have yun nga, yung ating email, social media, personal contact number, you put it there. So, para makontak ka ng, of course, ng mga companies, ganun. And yun nga, there are some websites that you can create your portfolio. Some of which, yun nga, we have Notion, we have Canva, we have GitHub, just to name a few. But nakadepende pa rin yun sa diskarte mo on how you will create it. So, kumbaga, you just have to be creative, no? And ayun nga, for an example project, so this is a project that we did. This is just last semester, ano. So we had this course which is the computer applications for mechanical engineering students, in which yung final project done is we were basically tasked to do uh, a machine. So it could be any machine that is connected to linkages. So this is the linkage. This is a Buseller Lipkin linkage that we incorporated into a dual steam engine valve. So, parang ang magiging point nito, so we can put this in the portfolio. You put your projects there, like this one, and then you explain the function, you explain its uses, ano, yung benefits. So that's one way of appealing to people on your skill sets as an engineer. So, ayun lang, parang ganun siya ka-importante that you are thinking ahead. So, ayun, I think gano'n lang naman siya kasimple. And I currently myself, I haven't still gotten to building my portfolio, but maybe in the near future, ano, when I have more projects to my name, then this could be uh, plausible, ano. So, I think that would be it for Skills at Sunday. So, syempre, maikli lang naman siya. I don't want to keep you guys for long. And yun lang, thank you guys for listening. And ayun, I'll see you guys on Math Monday. Ano? So that's tomorrow. Thank you guys and goodbye. Happy learning.